Tortoises do not like being lifted off of the ground. So whenever you're picking up a tortoise, the best way to do it is by supporting their feet just like this and picking them up from the bottom. It's not good to pick them up like this, or specifically more from the top like this, because their spine is connected to the top of the shell. So they would be able to feel all that pressure if you're picking it up from the top. Of course, this guy is a little guy, so he doesn't have a lot of weight pulling him down, but that would be the case with a bigger tortoise. And when you're picking up an adult tortoise, the best way to do it is just like this. Just imagine it's a bigger tortoise. I always like to support them as much as I can from the bottom while making sure they don't tip over forward, backwards, or to the side when you're carrying them. They do not like being off of the ground, so if you see him wiggling around or hiding, he looks a little bit stressed, just put him back into his enclosure where he'll be a little bit more comfortable.